Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make pumpkin seed dip. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a pumpkin seed dip, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have got 1 cup of pumpkin seeds that we have toasted, 1 can of cannellini beans that we have drained and rinsed, 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 1/4 cup of water. We're going to need more than that, but we're just going to start with a 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 small jalapeno or a pinch of chili flakes. I did not have a small jalapeno available, so I've got the chili flakes instead. Let's go ahead and start mixing this up. All right, as usual, we have our beautiful little NutriBullet. I'm using the larger container because this is a little bit more ingredients than we're used to adding. I have toasted the seeds, just dry roast them, and I'm going to add those into this first, and we're going to mix these up first just to kind of break them down. Alright, takes care of that. Let's add our beans, our seasonings, which would be the hot pepper, the salt, the cumin, the garlic. I'm going to squeeze half this lemon in here. If you get a seed in there, that's cool. It's going to grind it up. I'm going to grind this up just because we're inverting this onto our blade, so it's got to kind of mix differently. What I need to do is add some water. Water, that helps quite a bit. Like I said, we're going to be using more than the 1/4 cup, I'm sure. You want to get to the consistency that you want. Let's push this all down. I'm going to add our olive oil as well, just to give it some lubrication in there. Add a little more water. Mix that around a little bit. Our lid back on there. Yep, a little more water. It's getting there though. It smells good. I'm going to add our nutritional yeast, and then I'll add more water, and that should do it. That nutritional yeast is going to thicken it up a little bit too. So, all right, last time, I promise. Oh, that looks good. My food processor's sitting over there on the shelf going, hey, what about me? It would have been a lot easier, I know, but we're using this one. Yeah, that looks good. That's a nice dip consistency to it. We are going to, I'm going to give it one more spin. There's some bigger beans at the bottom here, but I'm going to go ahead and plate this up with some food. We'll take some beautiful pictures of it, and then we're going to come back and taste it. Don't go anywhere. good, and I just smelled almost everything that we put into it. The garlic, the lemon, the beans. It's got a nice consistency. Sticks very well to that chip. A lot of color in there, a lot of different ingredients. You can see them all in there. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Creaminess. Smooth. A lot of umami in there with the beans and that nutritional yeast. You get a little bite of the pepper and the garlic. You get the acidity of the lemon. I did squeeze that other lemon in there in case some of you were paying attention. There was another half a lemon there. I did squeeze it in there when I mixed it up that last time. So yeah, this is fantastic. Very smooth. I think I'm going to have this on toast tomorrow morning for breakfast. This is really good. You can even taste the toastiness of those the seeds. When I did the pepitas in the pan over here earlier before I set everything up, I toasted them. You can taste that. And recipes in my description box down below here. On my It's Only Food.biz, my website, It's Only Food.biz. You can watch this video there too, and also got the recipe that you can copy and paste. But this is fantastic. I urge you to give it a try. It's good for every kind of different. You can do canapes, crackers, use it as a spread and a wrap. Like I said, I'm gonna have it on toast tomorrow morning, so that'll be good for that. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah, now what you fixing up?